Welcome to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching us on how to use 3 free apps just to get a US number for free. So these 3 apps have been tested and confirmed by me. They are working 100% for US number. If you need them for any US number verification, all you need to do is to just go there and do some little tasks, then you can get their number for free and use it to make the verification for all your websites successfully. They have a lot of countries available: US, Canada, UK, available on their website. So let me get straight to the tutorial and show you the app and tell you how to use it to generate a number for free also. So the first app name is TalkU. So this is the app down here. The name of the app is TalkU. TalkU. This one. This is the second one, and this is the third one. So the first one is TalkU. The second one is second phone, while the third one is unlisted. So you could see TalkU, second phone, unlisted. You could see the logo. So all you need to do is to just go straight to your application, phone application storage. You search for TalkU. You could see the logo. So I just want to show us how the logo. Is working. This is the logo. You could see the logo. That's the logo. Download it. The second one is second number. I want to show us the logo also. Second number. You have a lot of them. This is second number. So that's it. You could see. Right, the third one is unlisted. Well, I think this unlisted is working with VPN. I think it's working with VPN. I'll come back to that. This is the logo of the unlisted. So let's just get straight to how it works. So when I use it, I clear my history. I'll show you, but I will show you a proof of when I send the code to one of my friends and they send the code to me. I will show you on my WhatsApp page when we are after this video, after this tutorial rather. So once you successfully click on this app, TalkU, the next thing you're going to see is getting started, like sign up with your information. You can use any country you are, use your email address, use your personal name, everything. Just fill it. Once you successfully fill it, it will take you to this. This is how their dashboard is. This is how it is. Just throw it. Make a call now. I can't make a call now because I don't have enough credit. Come to discovery. You can see everything that is there. Click on me. This is me. So these are the number available. You can see the number available. They are not free, but you can collect their free credit to purchase all the numbers. So once you are here and you want to get the number, click on the country. Select the random number. Let's select a random number. So you can see their users number is $1.99 per month. $1.99 per month. So per month, so that means you're going to spend $1.99 per month for 1 year if you want to retain the number for a year. While the second one is $4.99 per month, being monthly. Every month you'll be paying $4.99. You can see it's very cheap. It's even more than cheap. So if you don't want to use your credit card, like you don't want to use your information, because if I click on get access now, it will be asking for my card information directly. You could see it's the request for my card information directly yearly. So that's the accumulation for 1.99 per year is 223.99 for the number. So if I want to go for the monthly one, I click on access this number. It will bring my information. You could see 4.99. I should just update my card. It will debit me and the number will be mine. I can use it to access all my sites. You could see it's very cheap. It's very cheap concerning with the hope that one 4.99 per dollar is very very cheap. That's a list of the list of rate you can say in US or foreign number online. So other one is getting their credit 1,002 credit for 1 year. Like if you get your credit now, you get like up to 1,002 of their free credit. Then you have access to use the credit to purchase their number for 1 year. So I will go course on how to get the credits for free now. Just come back, come to home. This is me. Click on free, get free credit. Okay, sorry. Click on get free credit. Let me use this one. You could see. Click on get free credit. You can buy the credit if you have money. You can buy the credit if you have money. So this is get free credit. Purchase the credit. You can purchase the credit with your credit card. This is the 200 credit 4.99. 500 credit $10. So if you want to buy the credit, you can buy the credit, but this is easier way to get the credit for free. Click on get credit for free. You can get credit by connecting a brand. You can get credit by completing an offer. You can get credit by download, install, and reach out. That will be 367. I think the one that gives people highest credit is downloading the app. Once you download the app on your phone, install it, get your free credit. You can remove the app from your phone if you don't want to have it, just to get the credit only. Once you get the credit successfully, you can delete the app. Then you make the credit to purchase your number. Because presently now a lot of Fiverr clients, Upwork clients, what was it called? There is one particular freelancer.com site. Most of them, they prefer working with a foreign clients rather than working with Africa. Though some African countries make value, make sense. Nigeria also work very well, but they believe in working with and Weibo people like them rather than outsourcing the work for another country like Asia country or Africa country. So you can get the number there, input on your profile on WeChat, on Fiverr, or Upwork, or what I call it now, freelancer.com. Then you can even use it to connect them on WhatsApp, on Telegram. You can chat with them there. So that is easy for you to purchase. It's very very important. If you are working online presently and you don't have a foreign number to talk to your client and you want to run a foreign account, you are just kidding yourself. You can't do without it. So this is another way to earn money daily free credit. There is a free credit for every member of this platform, whereby you log in and click on get free credit, click on daily check-in. Once you click on daily check-in, they are going to give you, I think it's $2 credit per day. And feel lucky, click it. It's also play a game and win on credit. Purchase credit is out of it. Earn 20 credit for each friend's referral. If you refer a friend, I'm going to put my referral link there also. Let me copy it. I'll put my referral link there also. If you can just download, come online and register to my referral link. So anyone has a credit by completing the offer. So click on it, complete the offer. You can leave as I don't want to take much of our time. You could see these are the offer. DSCV survey, do the survey, you get plus 24. These are the Grand Mafia complete an action free 2,500. Those are these things you are going to do just to make sure you go for the higher giving point, just for you to reach your 1,002 on time. Then you can start using. I've even earned up to that, just that I did a video for it, but I don't know, the video didn't save on my phone and I have to clear this account just to make this video. I clear my account, clear it. I don't even remember the email I use, so I just have to log in another one. That's all for that one. The second one is second number. That's the second app. Second number. Please take note of those, or the name of the app I'm sending to us. Please take note of the name of the app. This particular app, they give us 3 days free just to use that number. After 3 days, they charge us a token. So just next, you could see activate your phone number, cheap international call and messages, multiple number and flexible rate, and more useful features. 3-day free trial, then 4.99 per week. Auto renewal, cancel anytime. So you could see if you want it monthly, that's 14.91. This one is a little bit cost than the first one, but it still makes sense. What makes me say it makes sense is that they are giving. I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. Wow, it's 10 minutes. It's more than 10 minutes already. Sorry about that, guys. What I'm saying about this particular one is that they give you 3-day free trial, then you pay $4.99 per week, auto renewable, cancel anytime. This is it. Input your card information. You can generate a card online. I will make the video on how to generate a card online, virtual card online. Then you can put the virtual card here. Once you put it there, just make sure that you can even put your personal card. Once that you have used it for 2 days, cancel the subscription, input another information again, click continue, input another information again, still put it, use it for any account you want to use it for. You can continue that one. But presently now the card I'm having on my account is my personal account, and it expired, I think it expired 2 days ago or 3 days ago. That's my card. But I will make sure I use this thing. I will make sure I input my main account. I input my main this thing, my virtual ATM. I will put it. I made a video on the next account. I don't know this account, this ATM has expired, so I will make a new video and show you and even get the code and do the video on how it works very well. So once you click update this card, update the card, they're going to give you 3-day free trial. Use the number for 3 days. Then maybe it's 2 days of waiting. Cancel your subscription. Find a new mail. Open another one. See the 3-day free trial. That's the only scope that is there. That's the only scope I want to tell us about this one. So it's working also. I've tested it. I've tested it and it's working. Another one is unlisted, but this unlisted, I think, is not working without VPN. Let's see if it will work without VPN. Let's see. Let me input my mail. I think it's not working without VPN. So let's just come straight and on our VPN. On our VPN. I'm not sure it's not working without VPN. So on your VPN, once you on your VPN, put your VPN to any country in US. Once you put your VPN in any country in US, then it asks you to pick a new number. Click on any number. You could see this one also is 100% free, 3 days trial, 99.99 monthly, annually 99.99 annually. So click on it. If you ask us to update our card, update our card. Once you update our card, then we put our card there, then it will automatically add our card and give us the number to use for 1 month. So there is one particular app. I think I've made a video about it before. The name of the app is Numero. Numero is going also. Let me show us this Numero. You can see that's Numero. You can see the logo. Numero is still going. It's one of the top and best place you can get a free US number. Remember, you can subscribe, and also you can get their credit for free. So that's how to get it on. I think I will link the video on how Numero work on this video, so that you can watch and see how it works. Free coin center, you could see free coin center. So that is where to get access to their free coin. This place, get access to their free coin. Phone number, where your number has been stored. Mobile data, as I'm using MTN, I can use my free coin to buy data or credit to my phone. Call credit, this is it. Some offer, product, customer care if you want to chat them up. So let's click on the free coin. So 400 coin for 5 minutes. So for free stuff. So we want to get. So don't worry, everyone. Let's just take our time. I will link the video I made on this Numero. I will link it here so that you can go there and watch how this Numero work. Also, those are the 3 apps that are currently working. Some of them, 3 of them are cheap, and you can still find a way to get them for free. So see you in the next video. Subscribe and like my video, and refer to a friend also. Thank you very much. Once you input your card, then don't forget to remove your card when the 3-day free trial expire. They won't be able to remove money from your account. Or you can input a card that you know that you are not using, then you can use it to run the stuff then. So remember the name of the 3 app: TalkU, second number, and unlisted. Both three apps are working. So another app I would like to, I think I've made the video on the app before. So the app is still working also. The app is still working, which is Numero.